Hello, eighth graders, and welcome to week 2 of our ELA overview for quarter 4. Today we'll be discussing your assignments from Sunday, April 19th through Wednesday, April 22nd. Before we actually get into the information I have to share with you, I just wanted to give a big thanks and shout out to those of you who have given me really positive feedback about the way our class is running. I really appreciate it. I'm working really hard over here to try to make things run smoothly for you. I know you're working hard over there too, and I just really appreciate the feedback letting me know it's working. I also wanted to shout out to all of you because wow, what a really great first week you had. All of you are starting off really strong, and I am super excited to see where we go this quarter. Okay, with that being said, let's take a look at this week. So, to begin with, we are still focusing on the standards of citing textual evidence, determining and analyzing theme, and producing clear and coherent writing. So, your assignments for this week will post by 8 a.m. on Sunday, April 19th, and they will all be due on Wednesday, April 22nd at 2:30. Now, I know it's unusual to have our assignments due on Wednesday. However, I have full day meetings on Thursday, and so I needed to up the due date to Wednesday. If this is an issue for you, I just ask, as I do with any problem you may encounter, that you contact me privately and we can chat about it. All of this week's assignments will be submitted through Google Classroom, and I really appreciate you doing so. If it's not in Google Classroom, I don't see it. If I don't see it, I can't grade it. So thank you for making sure that your assignments are submitted through our classroom. Okay, so as promised, we will begin reading The Outsiders by S.E. Hinton this week. So before you even take a look at the assignments, of course, the very first thing that you need to do is to access the novel. There are so many ways that you can access this novel. So I put a lot of them in our instruction sheets for our assignments this week. You can check it out through our school ebooks. You can check it out through another library's ebooks if you have access to other libraries. You can listen to it on YouTube if you have a subscription, or if your family would like a trial subscription for free for Audible, you can listen to it on Audible where they have professional readers reading the novel. Or you can do a simple online search for the PDF. If you have any issues finding the book, accessing the book, please let me know and I can help you further. The other option that I didn't mention is that if you would prefer, I can get you a copy of the novel. I could leave it at reception for you, and one of your parents could come and pick it up if that is the preferable way for you to read the novel. Either way, whatever you decide, please make sure that you do it really quickly. And if you need my support, let me know, because obviously you can't do this week's assignments without the novel. So make sure that you do that first thing. Okay, so you have 4 assignments that will be due this week. The first assignment is that you will read chapters 1 through 2 of The Outsiders. And while you're reading chapters 1 and 2, you will be doing 2 assignments. One is a character analysis, one is a T-chart. Both of these assignments are clearly explained in our classroom assignments. And then your final assignment for week 2 will be journal number 2. You can take a look at the prompt, and please make sure that you follow the directions. You need to make sure that you format it in MLA format. And if you need a reminder of that, there are all kinds of ways to remind yourself of that, including the document that I gave you at the beginning of the school year. And in order to receive full credit, your journal must be at least 10 sentences long. So please make sure that you are mindful of your formatting and your sentences. Okay. So really, the final thoughts that I have for you today is to check your Google Classroom. I will be posting our online sessions if you want to chat. If you need to pop in and ask some questions, this would be a great time to do it. And other than that, I just want to wish you guys a really great second week. I hope that it is as successful as the first week, even better. So until next time, have a great week.